In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Amazon account and sign in easily in just 5 minutes. Let's dive in together and get your account set up smoothly. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head on over to Google. In the search bar, simply type Amazon. Once you see the search results, click on the first link that appears. This will take you directly to Amazon's homepage, and you're well on your way to starting your shopping journey. Now that you're on the homepage, focus your attention on the top right corner where it says Hello, sign in. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be directed to a page that prompts you to sign in. But since we're creating a new account, look for the Start Here link and give that a click. This brings you to the registration page. It's time to start entering some details. You'll need to provide an email address that you have access to, as Amazon will use this to communicate with you about your account. Carefully type it in, double check for any typos, and then click on the Continue button to proceed. Up next, you'll see an option to proceed with creating your account. Click on Proceed to create an account to move forward. Now Amazon will ask you to provide your first and last name. Enter these details accurately, as this info will be associated with your orders and account settings. Next, it's time to create a password. Choose something secure, mixing letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account safe. Remember to re-enter the password in the confirmation box to ensure it's correct. No one wants to be locked out of their account, right? With your name and password set, click on Verify Email. This step requires you to check the email inbox you provided earlier for a verification code. Keep an eye out for an email from Amazon, as this will contain important details to verify your identity. Once you find the verification code, return to Amazon's registration page and enter the code in the space provided. Click on Verify to confirm and proceed further. You're nearly there. The final step is to click on Create your Amazon account. After this, you'll need to follow a few remaining prompts and instructions on the screen to wrap up your account setup. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully created an Amazon account. Now you can explore everything Amazon has to offer, from books to gadgets and beyond. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy how-to guides. Happy shopping!